Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.06 Button Cluster Cost Workup Sheet Type 3. Type 3 switches between cost workup sheets. There are 174 cost workup sheets. That quantity is too many to cluster on each sheet. Clusters of all 174 cost workup sheets are on 5 sheets. 1. Table of Contents. Tab name is TABLEOFCONTENTS. 2. Project Cost Summary. Tab name is PRJTCOSTSMRY. 3. Tables, Definitions, Abbreviations. Tab name is TBLSDEFS ABRV. 4. The Excel sheet tabs along the bottom of the window are a complete list of all sheets. Right-click on the sheet selection arrows at the lower left corner of the sheet and a complete list of sheets is displayed in a selection box. 5. Sheet names, if it is available. Tab name is SHEETNAMES. A last new sheet with the list of all sheet names is generated by clicking the macro button titled Sheet Names List Generator on the last row of the table of contents. No macro buttons will be on this sheet. This example 1.2.06 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.07.